Tonight, Mayor Castor on the record and laying out what the rebound will really look like in Tampa, including the city's plans for the Super Bowl. From reimagining transportation in Tampa to trying to create more affordable housing, and now managing how Tampa rebounds from a global health crisis. Tampa Mayor Jane Castor's first year in office has at times felt more like a New York minute.
It has gone by very quickly to a point, and as a friend of mine said during this COVID-19, that the month of March was the longest year of my life.
Her laser focus these days on lifting the city of Tampa up and out of the grips of the coronavirus.
How does Tampa Bay, the city of Tampa, rebound from this?
We're going to do a great job of rebounding. We did very well through the virus. You know, we were able to keep the positive cases down, and I'm very pleased with the governor focusing on the science to direct the opening of the state back up, and doing it very slowly, incrementally, so that if we do have a surge in cases, we'll be able to dial back quickly and deal with whatever comes our way.
Do you have any number in your mind, timetable-wise, a goal that you would like to be at a certain level of normalcy by?
You know, it's funny, people ask about that. I've just left a meeting and staff meeting talking about the opening of the restaurants and how we're going to craft that plan and help move them along. And people are asking for definitive dates, and it's difficult to provide any definitive date. But I am very hopeful that by the end of the summer, you know, if we can get kids back to school and really start getting back to a sense of normalcy in our community.
Meanwhile, the mayor says the city is still working on long-term projects like improving mass transit in Tampa and providing more affordable housing. And what about the Super Bowl next year?
With the Super Bowl, we are still planning for that and hopeful that we get a vaccine by that time. If not, I'm confident that there will be a series of tests or steps that will allow us to identify who has had COVID-19, therefore has antibodies and a level of immunity, and that we will be able to identify, you know, it may be a Super Bowl that has a requirement of facial coverings. I believe that that's going to be a new normal for our country as well.
So as far as you know, the Super Bowl is still on and still on with fans, or that's a mountain we've got to get to that point. We're going to have to earn it, I guess.
Well,
as a country.
in my mind, we're there, but
yeah.
Clearly, you know, you can't predict with a great deal of accuracy the future. Although I have predicted that the Buccaneers will be the first football team to win the Lombardi Trophy in our own backyard.
So the key takeaways on the rebound rundown here: the mayor believes the Super Bowl will still happen in Tampa next year and with fans, but with requirements for those fans to attend. She also says other city projects are also moving forward, including developing transportation and affordable housing. And she is hoping that schools will be back open by next school year. Of course, all of this can change, but there are many reasons to hope for the rebound Tampa Bay. Paula Grohm, ABC Action News.